Morning, Bill here for the Metals Minute. Today is Monday, March 28, 2022. Well, there's a lot of talk today about a slapping incident between Will Smith and Chris Rock, when what Americans should be focused on is the slapping back and forth between the Western nations and Russia concerning sanctions. Now, the sanctions have been expressed as a surefire way to harm Russia. But over the weekend, Russia has slapped back and said that in the future, gas and oil purchases will need to be either in rubles, gold, or a local currency other than the euro or the dollar to what they deem to be unfriendly nations, which are those that are sanctioning them, namely Europe, the United States, etc. And so what impact can this have? Well, if this is carried out, no matter which way you look at it, it's almost like a possible checkmate situation in the game of chess if it's followed through. Because if people pay in rubles, that means they're buying rubles, and that will support the ruble. If people say, okay, I'm not going to buy rubles, and they pay with gold, they have also set a fixed rate of 5,000 rubles per gram of gold, which is a little underneath current price would be, that's around $50. Current price is $63 for a gram of gold, approximately. So that sets up an arbitrage situation that will also support the value of the ruble and make it a challenge for other currencies. So this is a topic that we'll explore in more detail, either in a longer article or another video. But the main thing to take away is that physical gold is on the table now as an asset. In fact, President Putin has also put out there's a video of him explaining how reserve currencies now will need to be tangible items such as food, energy, gold, and other natural resources. And so it's become a conflict. Of course, there is a physical conflict going on, but the economic conflict is the part that's affecting everyone. And so it brings a lot more uncertainty surrounding paper currencies of any nation, and it's bringing more certainty to the wisdom of holding physical precious metals. And so this is a developing story. Today is the beginning. They've put a deadline of the 31st of March for when Russian oil and gas companies have to begin. So they can certainly start any time between now and the 31st of this month. So this doesn't give us a lot of time before this is in play. So I believe, stay in tune, but there's possibly some serious fireworks that may begin in the precious metals arena. So keep that in mind when you're deciding what type of savings instrument you want to use. I personally believe that precious metals belongs in everybody's savings as a way to protect yourself and protect your family's financial future. So keep that in mind. We'll keep you updated, stay tuned, and just be aware of this situation that sadly is not widely being broadcast as much as perhaps less important news, but we want you to stay informed. So thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you again soon.